I have a problem with LG G.SKILL. If I start using different headphones like this one, clips as fall with no remote, look what happened. There's no player on right now, no application with the music on right now. I'll put it here and press a little bit here. Look. Start, stop. Pressing a little bit here. This seems a little bit loose. And it's going crazy here. Look. Start. Stop. Let's try it with a different headphones. Like
Sorry, I forgot what we were talking about. Let's start
yeah.
over. How can I help you?
I don't know what's going on. Just goes crazy. Let's start with Sound Magic E10. Same story. Look. Start, stop. Okay. Let's put the original one
I could do that, but I'm not able to yet.
with a remote. Nothing. So, original headphones, good. Different headphones, bad. Look. Crazy.